The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe that has a factory installed flush rail. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo flush rail base roof rack system. So that includes the WingBar Evo load bars, 60 inches in length. This happens to be black, silver is also available. The foot pack, which is the Evo flush rail foot pack, and then vehicle specific fitting kit 186117. All that comprises the base roof rack system. So you can see here it's clamped to this factory flush rail, which GM has thankfully updated in 2021 and beyond. So for complete year range, click on the link in the description below. That'll take you back to our website for complete details, pricing, and availability. But this will also fit other similar GM vehicles with the same rail, so some Escalades, GMC, etc. So this is a quick walk around, but again, click the link in the description below for complete details, pricing, and availability. And like always, thanks for watching.